Hello, my like one subscriber, whatever I have. I'm gonna just play Animal Hospital because I have nothing else to do right now. So let's see how well I do. My max is night 8 and I got that with like 2 friends and it took ages. So I hope I can get like 3. Because if I can get a decent night, then that's gonna be really good. Shift, not night. I only half know how to play the game as well, so don't judge me. Hello. Are you sure? Do you have any problem? Alright. You're looking pretty good so far. I think you're good. Let's skip this stupid tutorial. I already know how to play the game. I made it to shift 8. They're following me to the room. I'm not following them. What is this, bro? Also, sorry about the bad mic quality. I don't really have a proper mic yet. Damn, I thought it would say Canadian. If it said Canadian, that would be goated for the first one. I want to see if I can get Canadian. Alright, recovering. Next patient. Stop ringing the bell! Alright, you seem good. You kept ringing the bell, so you're annoying. You've annoyed me. Whatever. Room 2, alright. You had a stomachache. Why is there a bandage on your head? That's not how that works. You shouldn't have a bandage. Alright, anyway. Okay, I'm just gonna go help some more patients and then I'm gonna help everyone else. I'm gonna go help them later, I think. Can I? What the hell's that? I have to treat a patient, of course. I don't think you should trust me. I'm not a professional. Dried eyes. Eye drops. Alright, eye drops. Doctor. What the hell's the doctor gonna do? Like, is he gonna do a backflip this time? Because I've already done it? Or... I don't know. Reminds me of Animal Crossing. Okay. Security cameras. Why do I need security cameras? Alright, pretty good. $63. Let me see what I can buy in the upgrades. Nah, it's still closed. I think I have to wait. Mike Park, alright. This does not sound very believable. Let me see. Yep. Mike Park. Alright, you're all good to go. Room 5, wait. Isn't this Oh no, I'm stupid. Never mind. I'm gonna help you later. Run from accounting. Okay. Why are you acting weird? Why are you just... Hello? Oh. Run from accounting. Alright. Room 1. Well, you have to go to room 5. You look suspicious. I don't trust you. You look like the blue guy that's there. I don't know why he's there. He's just there. I'm gonna call him Jimmy. I'm gonna call that guy over there Jimmy. Yeah, you're acting suspicious, bro. Might have to put you in the paper shredder. Florida's all good. Well, let me check the cameras. I forgot I haven't been checking them. Alright, you're all good, sir. That's surprising, I didn't think... Alright, I'm gonna go help pick. Looks like my friend. Anyway. Still there? Alright, he's gone. I wanna wait for someone to be Canadian. If I get someone Canadian, it's gonna be good. Flu, cough syrup, so close. So close. Why is it just called cough? Bit weird. Alright, recovering. Well, they only pick odd numbers. 2 and 4 are just empty. It's a bit weird, but whatever. Not gonna judge, maybe lucky numbers. $63. I didn't even realize I had $63. Flu and headache, cough syrup and medicine. Why do I keep? This is the second cough syrup in a row. I swear, if the other guy needs cough syrup, then I'm gonna throw cough syrup at him. Medicine, cough syrup, and recovering. Bruises. Medkit. Why do I need a medkit for bruises? Ah, yeah, that makes sense. Never mind. Alright. Doctor's arriving. Next patient to arrive, I'm gonna give... Actually, nah. I'm pretty sure I need to save a little bit for the coffee guy. Ooh, new facilities. Isn't it like the surgical room and stuff as well? I don't know. I'm gonna check out their shop. Oh, more money. Oh, I'm so close to the extra check-in window. Visitors check-in faster. I'm gonna leave it at that. Bro, are you good? Yes, sir. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. Can you stop moving, sir? Sir. Sir, excuse me. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave you be, never mind. Oh, he's gone. 83 seconds to my next coffee guy. I'm still here for breathing. Where is he? Where is he? If I see him again, I'm gonna twist his nutsack. That'd probably be the best course of action. Why are you back? Bro, why are you back? You came here like 2 minutes ago. What? Okay. I don't know why you're telling me that. I don't know, bro. You're looking kind of suspicious. I can't put my finger on why, but you're looking kind of suspicious. I don't really trust you. Yeah, change your plans. I can, actually. Is that goop or something? I saw goop. It's gone. Yes. Jimmy's still there. What do you mean they said it will be a short wait? You can come in and... Bro, what are you doing over there? Just come on. You can come in the line, Jimmy. Alright, looking all good. Oh wait, I can get another coffee. This is my second time playing, so I know to drink it twice and then save it for the coffee guy. I can't remember if I said this, and I probably did at the start, but sorry about my bad mic. What is this appointment for? To get that massive horn out of your head? Because I don't think that's supposed to be there. But you're looking all good. Jane Shin. Okay. Patient. Okay. What first? Alright. Alright, you're looking all good. That's gonna hit the, oh, there's more goop. Person in room 8 needs surgery, so I'm gonna do that first, because that seems most important. IV. Medkit. Meat. Scalpel. Medicine, meds, whatever. Medicine. Bandages. And then meat, steak transplant. Alright, successful surgery, nice. Light blue, blue, pink, pink. Light blue, blue, pink, pink. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, you have 14 broken bones. Canadian, no way, Canadian. I need ointment, bandages, and Jesus. I knew you were an anomaly. Yeah, I can see inside of you. I need to go get another coffee. Ointment, bandages, and maple syrup. Ointment, bandages, and then maple syrup, because they're Canadian. Actually, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, let's see. Alright, patient number 2. Looks the same as the other person for some reason. Cough syrup. Alright. Oh. Cough syrup. Boom. Dehydration. IV drops. Oh jeez, why is this Canadian dried ice and fever? Wasn't this guy Canadian before? Or was it someone else? Alright, maple syrup, dry eye drops, and thermometer. Thermometer, eye drops, maple syrup. I'm gonna end it off at shift 4. When I get to shift 4, I'm gonna stop. Oh, doctor. Isn't this supposed to be the coffee guy that comes? I saw him the first time I played. I swear. Some patients might seem unstable. I think I noticed that. Following cameras, that's what I've been doing. And I have been staying alert, except there was some guy who came and deal with me. Taser. Ooh, I got a taser. Good performance. Now let's see what we got here. Extra check-in window. like that. And it's shift 4. I reckon this is what I'm gonna call it. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed the 3 shifts that I did.